In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review Rocket Money app walkthrough. Start by opening the Rocket Money app and logging into your account. You'll land on the dashboard, which is the home base for everything. Take a moment here, you'll see your total monthly spending, your most recent transactions, a quick look at your cash balances, any upcoming bills, and subscription alerts. Think of this as your snapshot of financial health. If something looks off, you'll know exactly where to tap next. Next, head into the Subscriptions tab. This is where Rocket Money shines by automatically detecting recurring charges. You'll see your active subscriptions, whether each one is billed monthly or yearly, and the next billing dates. It can also surface forgotten or unused subscriptions. As you review, confirm anything that looks duplicate or outdated, and mark services correctly so your monthly totals stay accurate. Now open bills or lower bills. Here you can see categories like internet, cable, phone, and in some areas, utilities. Rocket Money can negotiate certain bills on your behalf, and they only charge a success fee if they save you money. For the best results, make sure the details for each provider are up to date so the team has what they need to work with. Move over to spending or transactions. This section shows all income and expenses grouped by category along with merchant details. If a purchase is miscategorized, recategorize it for better reporting. This is also a good spot to split a transaction if one purchase covered multiple categories, helping your budget reflect reality. Open budgets to set monthly spending limits and category-based budgets like food, rent, or shopping. You'll see progress update in real time as new transactions roll in. Start simple with a few categories, then refine as you learn your patterns. This helps prevent overspending before it happens. If you have savings enabled, go to savings and set goals such as an emergency fund, travel, or a big purchase. You can automate transfers so saving happens in the background. Even small regular contributions add up over time. Head to settings, then alerts. Turn on notifications for large transactions, upcoming bills, subscription renewals, and low balance warnings. Tailor the alerts so you're informed without feeling overwhelmed. Under settings, choose linked accounts to review connected banks, credit cards, and loans. Remove anything you no longer use and re-authenticate if a connection looks stale. Rocket Money uses secure, bank-level encryption for these connections. Finally, check settings, then membership. Compare free features with premium benefits like auto cancel, bill negotiation, and smart savings. Pricing is typically pay what you think is fair, and you can adjust anytime. That's your complete review. Use this flow regularly to keep your finances clear, current, and under control.